For large-scale projects with demanding load requirements, you need a foundation system that's built to match. Whether you're supporting mid-rise buildings, heavy equipment pads, or massive utility footings, there's only one solution that delivers strength, speed, and simplicity. Introducing the PierTech Hercules Pile, our patented high-capacity helical foundation system engineered for deep commercial and industrial builds. With load capacities of up to 500 tons per pile, Hercules rivals driven piles and drilled shafts without the noise, vibration, or delays. Available in diameters from 4 to 48 inches, it adapts to your project's soil conditions, structural needs, and site constraints. Install in any weather. No vibration, low noise, minimal excavation. Perfect for urban job sites and sensitive environments. And behind every Hercules system is PierTech's in-house engineering team working directly with yours to design for precision, performance, and code compliance. We manufacture Hercules piles in our own U.S. facility, so you get faster turnaround, higher quality, and full control from concept to install. Compared to concrete footings or deep drilling, Hercules helps you finish faster, with fewer delays, lower labor costs, and no compromise on performance. When your next project demands serious capacity, go with a smarter solution. Big capacity, fast install, zero compromise. Visit PierTech.com to request a quote or talk to our team. Let's build it right, from the ground up.